Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram story. So now on Instagram, you can now add music to your Instagram story to make it more interactive. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next, tap on the plus sign and then tap on story. Go ahead and take a picture or upload a photo. Next, you want to go ahead and use the sticker icon. And here, go ahead and find the music sticker, which looks like that. And now go ahead and find a music which you want to add to your Instagram story. You can use a search feature. You can go ahead and use all these featured albums, or you can go ahead and go through the list of this trending music from Instagram. Go ahead and choose the one that you like, and then go ahead and choose what part of the song you want to play. At the top here, you can go ahead and choose to show lyrics or just the album cover. Or you can have a spinning disc on Instagram. Once you're happy, tap done, and now you've added the music to your Instagram story. So there you go, guys. That is how to add music to your Instagram story. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.